Hey everyone, Kaikane Smith here. Today I'm going to talk about the best teaching methods for teaching private students. For this episode, I'll keep it short and simple. The best teaching methods, of course, come with years of practice and experience. However, most of the time when you start working at a good language school abroad, they will and should already have their own method and texts. If that's the case, and if you think that their texts are awesome, then you can begin implementing that method into your own teaching style and build up on that. Do feel free to bring your Language Center's textbooks home, keep copies for yourself, and perhaps even your students. Just keep your methods on the low pro discreet and don't tell a soul. Otherwise, you could get your own butt fired. If you have a rogue student, they could complain to your school or whatever and tattletale on you, then you're up shit's creek. So be careful on that, okay? Also keep in mind, good teachers aren't just born with good teaching skills. They are acquired after tons and tons of practice year after year until becoming a master and elite English instructor such as myself. Practice makes perfect, time and time again. It's proven, so don't give up on that, okay? If you want to know some more ultimate and top secret teaching methods, you can always get in touch with me, and I'll be more than happy to help you, of course. I'm here for you, so don't forget that. All you have to do is make the effort. Oh, and don't forget to check out my video on the best tools and teaching methods for teaching private English lessons, and you'll definitely find out some more beneficial top secret information in that video as well, such as the different types of textbooks that I have been using and still use to this day. Well, time is up, folks, so I gotta go. Be sure to check out my cool website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find an ESL job abroad, where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching, and how to make tons of money, then please do not hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. Apologies for sounding sleepy. I just got up after a 12-hour nap. Have a swell day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. I've got thousands to put up, so stay tuned. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.